Hi there, my name's John Erickson, and this is the CareCredit credit card, the health, wellness, and personal care credit card for you and your whole family. You can use it over and over again to pay for a wide variety of health-related expenses at hundreds of thousands of healthcare provider and retail locations nationwide in the CareCredit network. Use it for dental care, teeth whitening and clear aligners, or routine vision care, LASIK, contact lenses, cataract surgery, and eyeglasses. It's all about peace of mind, knowing you'll never have to delay important care. With CareCredit, you're ready for the solution. You can get the care you need for you, your family, and your pets. Isn't that right, buddy? So check it out today.